Hello, this tutorial is for to show you how to access Edmodo. First thing we're going to do is we're gonna open a browser, and as part of the URL we're gonna type www.edmodo.com, and we're going to access the website. Once we are in the website, we're gonna click where it says login, and we need to type in the student username and the student password that was provided to you by your classroom teacher. So in here I'm gonna go and type in the username, and then I'm gonna type in the password. And login. Okay, I do not want to save the password. If you are going to be always working on the same computer, then you might want to save the password, then you don't have to type in again. Okay, so this is Edmodo. In here, if we go to home, this is what we will see. We will see the student name, we will see the classes the student is logging into, and to be able to see and have a better view of all the classes, we can click on this section that says class, and there you should be able to see all the classes the student is enrolled. I'm going to click on 5A, Miss Quatrale. As you can see, this student is also enrolled at Miss Gonzalez class. So let's start with Miss Quatrale, the classroom teacher of 5A. Okay, so once we access, oh, I highlighted, I don't mean to do that. Okay, so now I am inside 5A, and when I click on post, then I should be able to read all the posts from this class. In this class we can find the Spanish teacher posting. If we scroll down, we also see the Guarani teacher as part of the class. We also see the PE teacher as part of the class. So you should be able to find all the postings from all the teachers. We also have the art teacher posting in here. So you should be able to see all the postings from the date. Here, as you can see, it shows the teacher's name, it shows the time when this was posted, and in here you can see the message. Okay, so how would you go ahead and work on your assignment? So then you will go ahead and read the posting, check in if you have an attachment. If there's an attachment, it's very simple. You can just click on the attachment. Once you download the attachment, you can print it, or might be able to fill this in online. Okay, so once you're done, let's go back to Edmodo. Okay, it's very simple, and you should be able to just access on post and check all the postings from the day. Once you're done, you just click on your user and you log out.